Hello mathematicians! Today I'll be covering Chapter 3, Lesson 5, Divide Integers. Our learning objective is I can divide integers with the same sign and with different signs. Vocab setup. A quotient is an answer to a division problem. A divisor is a number by which another number is being divided. A dividend is a number to be divided by another number. So in my example down below, 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 24 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor, and 8 is the quotient. Visual model. Here are steps for a visual model. Draw boxes to represent the divisor, then evenly place positive or negative symbols in each box. For my example, negative 33 divided by 3. 3 is my divisor, so I drew 3 boxes. Then I drew 33 negative signs and distributed them evenly to each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. I was left with 11 negatives in each box, so my answer is negative 11. Let's try an example where both my dividend and my divisor are negative. I'm going to draw 7 boxes to represent the divisor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to draw my negative sign above each of them. And as you remember, a negative means opposite. So I know that I'm going to have to go back later and switch all the signs to its opposite symbol. Then I'm going to evenly distribute my 14 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have to now go back and switch each of my signs, because if you recall, you put a negative above each box. And now I'm left with 2 positives in each box, so my answer is positive 2. Let's try the example 21 divided by negative 3. First, you need to draw boxes to represent the divisor. So I'm going to draw 3 boxes. Then I see it's negative 3, so I have to remember to put my negative sign over each box. I'm going to draw my 21 positive counters in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, but now I recall that I drew a negative sign, so I have to switch each sign to its opposite. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to switch each of these to its opposite symbol, which is a negative. And now I have 7 negatives left in each box, so my answer is negative 7. Okay, it's your turn to give it a try. Pause the video. When you're finished, unpause, and I'll reveal the answers. Okay, in each problem, I drew the boxes to represent the divisor to save me time. Now I have to, for A, draw 20 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, and evenly distribute them to each box. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I have 5 negatives in each box, so my answer is negative 5. Okay, for B, 45 divided by negative 9, I drew my negative 9 boxes, and so I have to switch my sign. So I'm going to draw my positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. I have to now switch my sign. So I'm going to make each sign that's positive a negative. Okay, so now I have 5 negatives left over in each box, so my answer is -5. Now looking at C, I drew my 5 negative boxes. I have to evenly distribute 15, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have to switch each sign because I have my negatives above each box. When I switch each sign, I have 3 positives left over in each box, so my answer is +3. Okay, our rules for mental math are the same rules from our multiplication. A positive divided by a positive is a positive. A negative divided by a negative is also a positive. If both integers have the same sign, the answer is positive. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. A negative divided by a positive is also a negative. If both integers have different signs, the answer is negative. So down below, you can see my example. If I have 2 positives, it's happy. 2 negatives, it's also happy. If I have a negative or a positive and a negative and a positive, that's sad because it just looks weird, so it's negative. For 49 divided by -7, I have a positive divided by a negative, so my answer is going to be a negative. 49 divided by 7 is 7, and since my answer is negative, it's a -7. -32 divided by 4. I have a negative divided by a positive, so my answer is going to be negative. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Whoops. And because it's negative, my answer is -8. -56 divided by -8. I have 2 negatives, so my answer is going to be positive. 56 divided by 8 is 7, and it's positive. Okay, it's your turn to give it a try. When you're ready, unpause the video and I'll reveal the answers. Okay, -48 divided by -6. I've got 2 negatives, so my answer is going to be positive. 48 divided by 6 is 8, so it's +8. -81 divided by 9 is a negative divided by a positive, so my answer is going to be negative. 81 divided by 9 is 9, and my answer is negative. 63 divided by -9, I've got a positive divided by a negative, so my answer is going to be negative. And 63 divided by 9 is 7, so my answer is -7. For D, -110 divided by +10. I have a negative divided by a positive, so my answer is going to be negative. 110 divided by 10 is 11, so my answer is -11. Evaluate the expression if A equals -4. So if I have -16 divided by A, I have to substitute in -4 for A, so -16 divided by -4. I have a negative divided by a negative, so my answer is positive. A 16 divided by 4 is 4, and it's positive. It's your turn. Pause the video and give it a try. Use the order of operations. Here are the answers. 15 divided by -5 is -3. A positive divided by a negative is what makes it negative. 8 times -5 divided by -5. 8 times -5 is -40. -40 divided by -5 is +8. 8 plus -5 divided by -3. 8 plus -5 is +3. 3 divided by -3 is -1. Congratulations! You've made it to our funny finale. What did one half of a shovel say to the other half of the shovel? Let's make a whole. Get it? Thank you so much for watching my video. So long, scholars.